In the sunny streets of Montego Bay, Rohan was known for one thing: trouble. Every teacher at his school had just about given up on him. All except one, Miss Brown. She saw something everyone else missed. One afternoon, she pulled him aside and gently asked, "Rohan, why are you always so angry?" For the first time, his tough exterior cracked. He confessed everything. His father was gone, his mother was sick, and he felt completely and utterly alone in the world. From that day on, Miss Brown stayed after school with him, not just tutoring him in subjects he was failing, but teaching him how to believe in himself. Slowly but surely, Rohan went from failing every single class to graduating in the top 10 of his entire year. Years passed. One day, a young, confident doctor approached an older Miss Brown. He smiled and said, "Miss Brown, it's me, Rohan. You saved my life. So I decided I wanted to spend mine saving others. One person's belief can change a destiny." Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.